So we've had something called Big 10 in 10 from FM Conway for 2 or 3 years now, and it's proven to be really successful. And that sparked the whole thinking and the initial discussion with the supply chain safety leadership group. The group has been around for quite a while, and it was chaired prior to me by Phil Clifton, and I was introduced to Phil and National Highways and joined the group as a member prior to becoming chair of the group. I met with Phil and with Mark Bayard at the time to try and map out exactly, if I was to take chair, what direction of travel we'd had, and we just had a great conversation around the potential for introducing a new perspective on the group and a new strategy, which we then developed. Risk profiling is a really important part of this. So we've gone across the whole of industry and surveyed as many people as we can. We believe it's potentially one of the broadest surveys of its kind that has been undertaken in our industry, and it's been really fruitful. This is the core of the work to help understand where we focus our attentions. The risk profiling exercise has generated the significant 8. These essentially are those risks that are most likely to kill people that work in the industry, and those are the ones we're focusing hard in on. So we foresee as this being an ongoing and embedded initiative, and it's really, really important. It's not just about producing a paper and putting it out in industry and saying, there we go, there's one, just do that. This is about really changing the way we think and work. This is about doing risk audits on site proactively. This is about having simple engineering and other controls that are embedded that make a difference, a real difference to people. So it's less dependent on behaviours. We've been through a journey initially to bring people on board, as many stakeholders as we can. I've written many hundreds of letters to different people, and we've spent a lot of time briefing them on the approach that we want to take and the strategy we have. We believe we've done a good job to get as many of those people on board and to generate a great group which is very diverse in every way. It's a lovely, rich mixture of people who are all offering a different perspective and some great perspectives on this. As a business, we were really flattered to be involved with this, and it was lovely that National Highways took time out to listen to us as a relatively small supplier, or getting bigger, and a new Tier 1 into National Highways. It was great they took the time out to listen, understand, and encourage us to do more of what we're doing and take that across industry. Collectively, we all have similar objectives, whether it's the Big 10 in 10 for FM Conway, whether it's the Fatal 6, or whether it's the Significant 8. This is about really taking all of that learning and making something that's sort of unified and more impactful than anything we've had before. So we really want to make a difference here.